I was on a plane trip this weekend from Oslo Airport Gardermoen north to Tromsø and back. And on the way back we had the sunset just as we had the liftoff. That sunset followed us for 1.5 hours down towards Gardermoen. And I shot this photo and this photo. See, the sunset is just about all the way. And then I shot this video. So what's better than one video? 2 videos, a few minutes apart. And as you could see through the windows, even though it was cloudy, the horizon was just about eye level. Sorry, it was just about outside the window, straight outside, so there was no banking or hard turns or something. It was straight and level flight. And that doesn't make sense on the flat Earth model. Let's have a look. So this here is just about a straight line from Tromsø to Oslo Airport Gardermoen. And even though we didn't fly a 747, that's just about the only model I found on the SketchUp. So I have been more than on the flat earther side here, because this is a whole lot more than 30,000 feet or 9 kilometers. So this is well above flight level on this flight. So if the sun is up here, 3,000 miles or whatever up, 5,000 kilometers, the angle here is more than 25 degrees. We had the sun in front of us on the right side, as you saw my photos. And oops, in order for this to be shining into the fuselage and then up again and hit over the windows on the other side here, it can't be 25 degrees up. It has to be downwards somewhere. This line here is just level or flat or straight, or call it what I want. So there's no, I can't pull it downwards because there's nothing there. But a sun 25 degrees up, just don't do that. Nope. So just as I posted the community section about this video, Everybody Loves Balls also posted a video. Have a quick look. And as you can see, it's exactly the same thing. The sunshine shining upwards through the fuselage. That doesn't happen if the sun is 3,000 miles above or whatever. So, yeah, that's just about it. Thank you so much for watching, everybody. See you next time. Bye-bye.